What if you could make money while you sleep? Sounds like a dream, right? But thousands of Americans are doing it right now, and you're about to discover how.
These aren't get-rich-quick schemes. These are real income streams that regular people are using to build financial freedom. And the best part? You can start today.
Welcome to Private Prosper. In the next 5 minutes, you'll discover 5 proven ways to earn extra income. No fancy degree needed. No huge investment required. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly where to start, what to avoid, and how real people are already making this work. Let's jump into number 1. Income stream number 1, print on demand. Imagine running a t-shirt business without buying a single shirt. No inventory sitting in your garage, no shipping headaches. Here's how it works. You create a design using free tools like Canva, upload it to platforms like Printful or Redbubble. When someone orders, they print and ship it. You keep the profit, which can be anywhere from $5 to $20 per item. A teacher from Texas started with dog lover designs and now makes $1,500 a month. The secret? Pick a specific niche. Don't try to sell to everyone. Target nurses, cat owners, gym enthusiasts. Specific niches mean loyal customers who keep coming back. Income stream number 2, digital products. Think templates, planners, guides, checklists. You create it once and it can sell thousands of times while you sleep. Budget spreadsheets, meal planners, resume templates, social media calendars. People need these tools and they're willing to pay for convenience and professional design. A graphic designer created a wedding planning checklist, listed it on Etsy for $12. That single product has generated over $25,000 in sales. Platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, and Creative Market handle payments and delivery. You just create quality products and watch the passive income roll in. Income stream number 3, freelance services. You don't need to be the best in the world. You just need to be good enough to solve someone's problem. Writing, video editing, graphic design, social media management, bookkeeping. Small businesses across America desperately need help with these tasks and will pay well for it. A college student learned basic video editing from free YouTube tutorials. Within 4 months, he was charging $150 per video for local businesses. Start on Fiverr or Upwork, set competitive prices, deliver great work, build reviews, then raise your rates. Many freelancers hit $5,000 a month within their first year. Income stream number 4, affiliate marketing through content creation. You don't need millions of followers. Even a small, engaged audience can generate serious income. Pick something you're interested in: fitness, tech, cooking, gaming, travel. Create helpful content on YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram. Recommend products you actually use. When people buy through your unique link, you earn a commission. Amazon Associates pays 4 to 10%. Other programs pay even more, sometimes up to 50%. A budget tech reviewer started with just 300 followers. By consistently posting helpful reviews, he now earns $4,000 monthly in affiliate commissions. Faceless channel. Income stream number 5, online tutoring and coaching. If you know something well, there's someone willing to pay to learn it faster. Academic subjects like math and English, professional skills like Excel or public speaking, even hobbies like guitar, chess, or photography. The market is huge. Platforms like Wyzant, VIP Kid, and Cambly connect you with students, or create a profile on Thumbtack for local coaching. Rates range from $25 to $100 per hour. A former accountant started tutoring bookkeeping basics online for $40 an hour. Working just 12 hours a week, that's over $2,000 extra monthly. Now here's the truth nobody talks about. None of these will make you rich overnight. The person earning thousands didn't start there. They started at zero, just like you. That print-on-demand seller, they uploaded 60 designs before one took off. The freelancer, they did 20 small jobs before landing big clients. Success takes consistency.
But here's what makes these different from a regular job. They scale. Your time isn't directly tied to your income. One digital product can sell while you're at the beach. So what should you do right now? Step 1. Pick just one of these income streams. Don't try all 5 at once. That's the fastest way to quit. Step 2. Spend 3 days researching. Watch tutorials. Study successful people. Read guides. Become an expert on your chosen method before you start. Step 3. Take action on day 4. Create your first design. List your first product. Send your first proposal. Imperfect action beats perfect planning every time. Step 4. Commit to 60 days. 2 months of consistent effort. Most people quit in week 3. Be the one who pushes through when it gets hard. The beautiful
thing about these income streams is they compound. What starts as $50 a week can become $2,000 a month with time and effort. Right now, people across the United States are using these exact methods to pay off debt, save for homes, quit jobs they hate, and build financial security. The only difference between them and someone stuck in financial stress, they made a decision to start. They chose one path and refused to give up. You have the same 24 hours they do. You have access to the same tools. The only question that matters is, what will you choose to do with this information? If this video opened your eyes to new possibilities, hit that like button. It helps us reach more people searching for financial freedom. And subscribe to Private Prosper for more. Drop a comment right now telling us which income stream you're starting with. Writing it down makes you accountable. We'll see you in the next one. Now go build your future.